You better start running before they come get you, so.
No, I'm safe. I'm safe. Come on. He's bigger than me. Jacob, you're stupid.
It's a brutal game. Gray. I think you are Gray.
Go.
You can run if you are wearing any kind of gray.
Everybody, come on.
Same with
Go. Gotcha. Kobe. Oh, I got Kobe. I got Kobe. Does that mean he's dead?
No, I don't. Like, shoot.
Hi, I'm Colby.
What if you kept running?
They're both black. Black.
No, I don't.
Both of you shoot.
Across the trail.
My name is Fluid and Woo. Slappy.
Why are you a female?
And then hand is, I guess. Are you right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Rihanna, what hand am I? You're right. Okay, I'm right-handed next. Dude, check your back. Dude, you're going first.
Oh, there it is. There, I found it. Keep it like that. You're winning. You're winning.
Right by.
But you little.
No.
Why not? No, I'm 37. Mark.
Mark, you're losing. You gotta get some strikes. Get some strikes, my good one. Or a gutter ball, that works too. I should put the light on so you guys know whenever I'm taking a picture. I'll do that. I haven't. Oh.
Dude, let's do that when they're all not hovering over us.
That was so lucky.
High fly.
And then you know when people say, I'm hungry, and then you say back, hi hungry. What?
How many cameras are watching?
Oh wait, move the thing. I want to see my name. My.
We're gonna win.
Is it updating? Oh, is that it?
No, I still have an
Oh. But I could get a gutter ball. This is tight.
You can give him a high five.
Oh!
Knock it off. Knock it off.
You're winning. Mark is winning. Yes. Took me 3 games to get 9 points. I finally got some points. I got like 5 gutter balls so far. Now 6 gutter balls. What did you do? You know I can beep it, right? With the watch? How you doing? You look like my grandma's bowling ball. Mark, why are you elbowing your pizza? You were laying in your pizza, Mark. Oh crap.
Skin, I nurture my skin.
I stole his fry. It's going to be a strike. No.
Dude, this is like on a trampoline without slippers. Our trampoline has like these little snow pebble things on them. They're slippery. So I'm like,
Mark, your bar is at the top. It's at the top. Oh, almost. There's a tiny gap.
oh, yeah, let's go to arcade now. End of game. I win. You guys lose.
You got a piece of pizza.
Whoa, look at that big lollipop.
You're not done. Oh. 0. And I'm gonna get a 10. Do some. Hold up. Oh, I got a 6. I got a 6. What are you doing? Oh, dude. Oh. We changed the difficulty to hard.
Did you change it?
Yes. We changed the difficulty to hard. What? I got a gutter. I'm gonna get a 0. Expert. Wait, what is expert? Oh no. Stop. I know. Mark's got.
That was in
Add Hoboken.